Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. Apologies, our name is now VirtuousSkills, not Virtuous Gist and Skills. In case you see our name in any of your comment section, remember we are still whom we are. We have not changed. Once you see Virtuous, no matter what is attached, just know that we are still VirtuousSkills, okay? And I remain your host, Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is Nkukwo recipe, how to make native Cocoyam porridge, Calabar style. Nkukwo is a Nigerian food recipe for native of Cross River and Akwa Ibom states. It is made with a grinded cocoyam, water yam, and choice of a healthy leaf, which includes cocoyam leaf, ugu leaf, which is pumpkin leaf, scent leaf, or spinach, and periwinkle in the shell. This dish has a lot of health benefits, of which I want you to help me this time and Google to know more. If you want to know how I make this Nkukwo, let's dive right into the video. The ingredients we have for the Nkukwo is set on the table. As you can see, we have our cocoyam here. You can use water yam if you so wish. I got here spinach and scent leaf. You can use ugu, which is pumpkin leaf, or prematured cocoyam leaf, okay? I got crayfish, cow skin, which is kanda, dry fish, shredded stockfish, and periwinkle in the shell. I have a video of where I cut and washed the periwinkle. Please check the description box for a better understanding of how I came up with this clean periwinkle in the shell. I got my chopped habanero pepper. I got some salt to taste and seasoning cube. This is my sliced onion, and lastly I got my fresh palm oil. You don't use vegetable oil for this recipe, okay? Now let's start the preparation by peeling the cocoyam, but for us to do that we need a bowl just like so with the water in it, so that as we peeled the cocoyam we drop them inside the water so that the color of the cocoyam won't change. This is how I will keep peeling it one after the other until I am done. And when I'm done, guys, I will get back to you. Virtuous family, remember that I've washed this cocoyam before peeling it, and now I'm done peeling it. I need to go and wash it again, okay? Next after peeling it is to grate it one after the other until I am done. On this stage, guys, you can as well blend it, but I choose to do mine like this, okay? Cocoyam has a higher protein content than some tubers like cassava and yam. It is also a great food for energy. This is the grated cocoyam. As you can see, I added a drop of water off the camera. Now I will add some salt to taste, after which I will start mixing with my clean hand just like so. The excess of mixing it like this is to incorporate air inside for it to be fluffy, okay? Meanwhile, as you are mixing the cocoyam, you have to be very careful so that the water won't touch your body or skin to avoid inching, okay? I am done beating the cocoyam. Can you see how fluffy it is? That is the right way it's supposed to be. Next is to coat the base of the pot which I'm going to use, which is the bottom pot, with a palm oil just like this. Just watch my hand and see what I'm doing. Now, as you pour the oil, you will just be shaking it like this, turning the pot like this, so that the oil will spray around the pot from the bottom to the top very carefully. Can you see that? Then after achieving the aim of the oil touching all around the pot from the bottom to the top, you now keep it. After achieving my aim of the palm oil, I will now place the periwinkle inside the palm oil. This is a form of a base for the Nkukwo, just as we form a base for moi moi and umunneya. Now, the essence of creating this base is to help the Nkukwo not to burn while cooking it, while the palm oil I spread around the pot will help the Nkukwo not to stick to the side of the pot as well. Next is to wrap the cocoyam paste, and I will be using spinach. As you can see, the baby spinach, and I will be dividing it into two so that it will be easy to wrap up. And whichever leaf you are using, make sure you use the back of that leaf, not the front, and you use the tip of the leaf, not the top, okay, so that it will be very easy to wrap. So I will scoop a little of the paste and place it on the tip of the vegetable and wrap it a little at a time until I wrap it up just like so, and I will gently place it on top of the periwinkle, which is the base, and that is it. Now I will go back for the second wrap. Just watch my hand and see how I am doing it, and this is how I will keep doing it, guys, until I am done. And when I'm done wrapping it, sure, I will get back to you. Okay, after wrapping the paste, the next thing is to add my ingredients, which I am starting with dry fish, stockfish, onion. Guys, you can add your ingredients in whichever way you like. Smoked fish, I forget to introduce this recipe when I was introducing my recipe, but bear in mind that I added some smoked fish. Okay, fresh pepper, cow skin, which is kanda, crayfish, seasoning cube. This is my stock. Please watch my hand and see how I am going to add it. Add the stock from the edge of the pot just like so. Please don't pour the stock on top of the Ekpang cocoa so that the weight of the water will not unwrap the paste. Cover the pot and take it straight to the heat and allow it to cook slowly on a low heat until it is set. Please cook for 40 minutes. Wow, this is after 35 minutes, guys. Before it gets to 40 minutes, I would like to add my scent leaf. You can also use otazi for this recipe. Okay, I will cover and allow it to cook more. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. The scent leaf has simmered for 5 minutes. Now it is just ready. Please watch my hand and see how I am going to stir it. Use a spatula to stir the edges gently, just like so that the ekpang remains whole. Hope you get what I mean. Now let's check and balance the taste as usual. The taste remains the best. Nothing is needed. On this junction, Virtuous family, our Ekpang recipe is ready. Let's go to the table and do the porridge some good. Yeah. Wow, this is Ekpang dioko, not agede dioko again. This dish is very inviting, delicious and rich. If you have any question concerning this dish, please ask it in the description box. To enjoy this dish, you have to use your hands, not spoon. Hope you enjoy every clip of this video today. If you do enjoy it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. Try this recipe and give us your feedback in all our social media handle as usual. Thanks for watching and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.